So it is currently 2 p.m. and I have slept through my 9 a.m. class. Well, that simply won't do. Also, hi, that was me like a few weeks ago. And in this video, I want to tell you guys how to ace online school with my own tips that I have picked up through my own experience with doing online university this year. Because I wanted to spice up my content a little bit, I made this video more in the style of like day in my life as an online student, but I'm also going to be giving you guys tips on how to ace online school because you know me, I cannot do a video that does not have any value to you guys. And now, the first ever thing that I want to say to my past self, which we just saw in the previous clip, is get out of bed. So I finally got out of bed, and now the second step is to get dressed, and I'm gonna tell you guys why in a second.
Oh yeah. Hey. Every week is fashion week for me.
So the first ever thing that you need to do if you want to ace online school, that is definitely talked about a lot, but I'm still gonna mention it because it's really important, is to get dressed in the morning. If you're in the same lazy clothing, you're gonna feel lazy for the whole day.
Every week is fashion week for me. I just went to Bonnie.
Additionally, I would also recommend like having a second distinguisher, a symbol or a signifier that this is us shifting into work mode. Now, getting dressed and makeup can be one of those, but at the same time, another thing you can do with that too is come up with some other symbol. For me, for example, it's like turning on all of my lights that I have in my room. It's like, you know how in stores they light up the neon open sign? That's how it is for me. I'm like, I'm gonna light up the neon sign that we're in work mode now. Okay, so that brings me into my second tip, which is to have a designated study space. When you separate your workspace from your downtime space, it still feels like there is a difference between your day when you're at school and your day when you're out of school. And that is the key difference, that one is going to make you much happier and like your day has had different segments throughout it. And two, it's gonna make you motivated and more awake and alert during the school time. So right now, we're going to take an online class. Guys, I just lost my shit. Like, honestly, we are having group presentations for our midterms, and our group was supposed to present on Friday because we're the last group. And she just said that we're presenting today. She's like, Dali, I'm like, I was so scared for a second. I was like, wait, that's my name. I'm gonna be taking a break before my next class. I think I have like an hour, and I'm gonna use that to do something productive, like maybe not productive, but like something that makes me feel good, maybe like read or paint. So I'm going to read a book that I'm really trying to finish. Honestly, this is a great book. Like, it's written really well, the idea is amazing, but I'm barely getting through it. I want to give you guys one crucial advice about how to ace any school, be it online school or like in-person school. Getting your teachers to like you matters because of the following ways. One, your teachers are usually the ones to grade your tests and grade your presentations. Two, you might get some perks that way. And three, you'll soon be either going to university or going to do a master's program, and a lot of them ask for recommendations from your teachers. And in order for that teacher to give you a good recommendation, you have to have a relationship. Neek. So yeah, those are the ways to get your teacher to like you. And now we're going to get into my next class, which is a music class, which this class, like, what the heck is going on? Look at this. What is this? What is this?
Okay, so has everyone heard the first two announcements? You must.
Okay, sometimes you might really hate the class, but you just like You gotta do what you gotta do to get an A. And then don't forget to change back into your home clothes. Act as if your workday is over and you just came home, because that is going to like signal to yourself that now it's time to finally relax. So I really hope that you guys liked this video. It was a little different from my usual videos because I decided to do this more in a vlog style to have something a little fresh on this channel. I don't know. I hope you guys like these tips. If you want to watch more on study tips, then you can go to this playlist. If you want to watch some girly videos and crush hacks, you can either go to this playlist or watch this video. And if you like me, you can subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Bye!